All that God needs from man is that he, man, totally, completely, and genuinely trust in God's absolute grace through His sovereignty and omnipotence, who only He has the perfect standard of being good and perfect. Man's contaminated nature makes it impossible for him to measure up to the righteousness of God. Anything we can do on our own power is incompatible with God's perfect standard, utterly non-meritorious and unacceptable in God's sight. Were it not for God's grace plan of salvation, the human race would have been hopelessly lost and condemned forever.